United Embraer E175 going to Midlands from Houston. Departed Houston a little while ago. United Airlines ERJ 145. Here's a bit better of view of that United Airlines Boeing 737-934 from the kind of like the aft tail / wing view. You can, wow, doing a bit of a bank to the right. Beautiful view with the sunset. Absolutely stunning. Looks like another United 737 with that orange glare from this Texas sunset. Absolutely beautiful. United Airlines 737 heading to Houston. Just did a quick U-turn pretty close to us. So should be arriving in about 5 minutes to Houston. Private jet? Private jet. Hold on, let me look at which one that. This looks like an American Airlines Airbus A319. If I can focus. Wow. Might even be able to see the stripes on the tail of that American Airlines A319. Big brother of the baby bus. There's the United Boeing 737, and then off in the distance you can see an Airbus A320, also from United, which departed Mexico City not too long ago. You can actually see two airplanes right there. Next up, we got a United Airlines Embraer E175. This one's coming in from Savannah, Georgia. You're barely going to be able to see it, but it is a Delta E175, or Embraer E175, operated by SkyWest at about 30,000 feet right now. We have another very exciting plane following. There we have it, the pencil plane, the Delta 757. That orange gleaming, sunlight coming off of it. I'm glad I did not miss that one. Almost missed it. There we have an American Eagle Embraer E175 for a short regional flight departing from Houston.